I'm Ponmani, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce in Ratnam College of Arts and Science, and I'm here to present on the topic on the paper of ACCA paper regarding financial reporting, and I'm going to handle on the topic regarding the regulatory and conceptual framework, and this is essentially and especially used in US countries and UK countries. This financial reporting, I think everyone is familiar with the word called financial reporting. So the name financial reporting is the main thing where every disclosures of complete financial statements which is used for the like investors, which is very much helpful for them to handle the regarding aspects of the financial statements. So for that purpose we use the term called financial reporting, and I'm going to tell you the complete regulatory framework which is very much mandatorily used in basis of US related of financial reporting papers. And here are some 8 regulatory frameworks which is very much mandatory to follow, and this particular regulatory framework was introduced in the year of 2018 and later update was made in 2018, and until now the updates is used as a main criteria for promoting this conceptual frameworks. And like first important framework is objectives. So the main objective of financial reporting is to give the clear informations to the investors so that they come forward to invest in different companies, so that will be a big advantage for every organizations in order to give some essential reports and essential profitabilities can be earned from that particular company. For that purpose we use, that is the main intent and objective of the financial reporting conceptual framework. And we have the second one is qualitative characteristics, which is nothing but what are the essentials which is very much important in case of qualitative characteristics is we have three important things. One is maintaining the performance, positions, and also other related of aspects. Coming to the performance, we can able to know whether the company is going in profit or loss, and when we come to the performance we can able to know the profit and loss and also incomes and expenses. And also when we go for the last thing, other related of aspects, when we go for the last thing, that is related of cash flow statements, cash inflow and outflow of statements, such other statements will be maintained in case of other statements. So that is the main thing of qualitative characteristics. And coming to the third one, which is nothing but the financial statements and what are the reporting entities. As a part we all know what is the financial statements. So the financial statements is like balance sheets, and also we do have like profit and loss accounts, and we do have like a number of financial statements. So main thing we focus on the financial statements is like we go for the income, we go for the expenses, we go for the equity, assets and liabilities. So these are the 5 different things we need for in case of an financial positions. And also coming to the reporting entity, so where these has to be done, so who has to prepare these type of financial related of activities is, so it can be like a single related of persons or group related of persons or any number of group number of persons. So these are the 3 main categories. And also when we come for the other related of things, we do have like the group of persons who perform as a parent company and single oriented company, and group of persons they combinedly do with the characteristics of preparing the financial statements. And also we do have the elements, as I said, like we have the 5 different elements like incomes, expenses, assets, liabilities and equities, and these are the main important things of regulatory framework. And last one is recognition and derecognition. So recognition is nothing but what are the inclusions that you have to make in case of a regulatory framework, and exclusions is derecognition means it is the exclusions what you should not include in case of an regulatory framework. So that's the part of the regulatory framework, and these are the 8 important aspects of regulatory framework that has to be followed in case of UK related of aspects of financial reporting. And that's all about this lecture. I hope it is clear. Thank you.